In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with a team, tracking assignments, or just managing your own tasks, Google Sheets can be a powerful tool to keep everything organized. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets through your web browser, where you can either choose an existing sheet or start with a blank one. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one before getting started, as all your data is stored in the cloud. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next step is to select the cells where you want to apply task assignments. This could be a specific column or a range of cells depending on how you've structured your spreadsheet. Selecting the right cells ensures that your task assignments appear exactly where you want them, making it easier for you and your team to follow. Once you've selected the appropriate cells, go ahead and click on the Data tab found in the top menu of Google Sheets. This tab gives you access to various data manipulation tools, and the one we're interested in today is data validation, which is the foundation of setting up drop-down lists for task assignments. Next, you'll need to click on Data Validation. This option is crucial because it allows you to set rules for the data entries in the selected cells, like creating drop-down menus for easier data input. Clicking on this brings up a new menu that offers several customization options. Here, you want to click on Add Rule. This will enable you to set a validation criterion, which tells Google Sheets what kind of data each cell can accept. For task assignments, you will likely want to create a list of names or task categories that can be selected from a drop-down menu. Now you need to define what options will appear in the drop-down list. Enter the names of team members or task categories in the given field. This way, when someone is entering data into these cells, they'll have a convenient drop-down menu from which to select available options, minimizing errors and speeding up the process. If you find that the initial selection isn't exhaustive, you can click Add Another Item to include more names or categories. This ensures your drop-down menu remains flexible and comprehensive as project needs evolve. For an added layer of organization, you can provide color coding for each option in your list. This visual element can help tasks stand out, making it easier to grasp at a glance. Simply choose colors that correspond to each drop-down option, and they will appear as such in your sheet. After you've set everything up to your satisfaction, click on Done to apply the data validation rules. You'll now see the drop-down menu in the specified cells. Finally, go to the column where the validation has been applied and test it by clicking on a drop-down to ensure everything looks just the way you want. And there you have it. Task assignments in Google Sheets, all set up and ready to keep you and your team organized. I hope you found this guide straightforward and useful. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.